god. Oh my god. It happened during the night at around 23:30 hours. We have the epicenter of the explosion. It's a parking yard for the lorries that are laden with the gas. We have around 271 people who are admitted in various hostels in Nairobi, with the Mamaruzi having the bulk. 140 are there. The rest of the resident hostels have various numbers. 21 were treated on site and allowed to go back to their homes. We have 3 fatalities. That is at now.
There's still a search going on of whether there are bodies which have been burnt in various houses. And we are asking Kenyans to pray for us. This is a time when we are saddened by such an incident. It has never occurred before.